This is Father Glenn Lowe from Don Bosco Youth Services based at Matunga. We're happy to welcome you to this small little presentation on our Don Bosco Youth Services new room that we have prepared for you. Right here you find our Salesian Youth Movement logo. Before I say anything, I want to say a special word of thanks to Father Ryan Alex, who designed this whole concept and who made it come alive. So right here we have our Salesian Youth Movement. We are based in 134 countries. It's a very new youth movement, very popular. It's worldwide, it's educational, it's youthful and very spiritual. And here we have our tagline, Nurturing Lives Significantly. Over 10 years ago, we met with our young people and we decided what would be the tagline for our youth services. And we came up with a lot of things: youth changing lives through Christ, being significant and nurtured. But finally, this is what we stuck on. 3 words: nurturing lives significantly. And how do we at Don Bosco Youth Services nurture lives significantly? Basically, it is looking at the 4 dimensions of our ministry with the young. We help young people in their education to faith, finding meaning in life. So education and faith, evangelization is important. And therefore you'll find a lot of our programs that are deeply spiritual. Retreats, seminars, walkouts, going into the open, our Jordan Call, our Youth Pass, a lot of spiritual programs. 2, we also focus on the whole aspect of education and culture, forming the mind, helping young people to live life in a cultured way. So we have a lot of leadership programs, a lot of discussion programs, helping young people to think differently, to be able to discuss, etc. The 3rd dimension that we focus on is the social experience. Young people like to be together, to celebrate life together. So camping, going out into the open, a lot of games, a lot of sport, bringing people together, celebrating culture is all part of nurturing lives significantly through the social experience. And the final important dimension is the vocational dimension, helping youngsters to discover what is God calling me to, what is my vocation in life. So where is God calling me to and where is God sending me to? So right here we have nurturing lives significantly. So any youngster who comes here, these are the 4 dimensions in which together with you, we Salesians will be able to nurture your life significantly. On the level of the mind, on the level of the heart, on the level of the body and the level of the soul. Now if we look a little further, on the other side here we have our beautiful models given to us as young people. We have Jesus who is presented to us young, a smiling Jesus. We have his mother Mary given as a gift to Don Bosco, a very young, smiling Mary. And when youngsters come inside, people of other faiths, as soon as they look at this they say, oh, Jesus, Mary smiling. That's what we want to tell young people. Our God is a God who loves, a God who cheers, who's ready to smile. And then we have got Don Bosco and his beautiful student, Saint Dominic Savio. Everything centered here is deeply Salesian, but in the background we have the hustle and bustle of Mumbai. Activities taking place, so much of life, so much of energy. This is what Mumbai province is all about. A lot of energy, everything happening simultaneously. And this is what we want to invite young people to. In the midst of your hustle and bustle of life, we give you Christ, we give you Mary, Don Bosco, and a beautiful model, Saint Dominic Savio. When young people come up here, they look and it's quite a strange ceiling, a very strange ceiling, specially designed by Father Ryan. And so you have monkeys breaking through on one side and crows breaking through on the other side. Now why did Father Ryan come up with this concept? Breaking in. And in breaking in, he has given the symbols of crows. Crows basically destroy in order to build. They destroy things. But in their process of destroying, they build. And monkeys on the other side, very playfully, they destroy. But there is a sense of togetherness, a sense of cheer, a sense of wonder, a sense of adventure, a sense of, celebration of life. But it is breaking in. So this whole concept of this is, in this Don Bosco Youth Services, young people of any kind, no matter what your background is, you can break in. You can break in here, celebrate life. You can break in here to build by destroying your past. You can build better futures by breaking from bad habits, whatever. And so everything here speaks to young people. It's a very beautiful concept. And over here, as you see on the other side, all the activities that we have gone through in the last few years, celebration of life through sports, through education, through a lot of spiritual activity, through a lot of seminars, a lot of pilgrimages. Some of our young people had the privilege of going to Italy, some had the privilege of going to Poland for a cultural exchange. And so all this has helped young people to nurture their lives significantly. This is a home. This is a place where we want to welcome you. The furniture here also speaks differently. Everything here may sound playful, may invite you to get into a game. And so here we have tables. Here we have a table for chess, for drafts. We have here the snake and ladder. We have Ludo. So while being a table where you can discuss important things, this is also a table to play. It brings us together. Here we have a wonderful model of a car, telling young people that every day is a journey. We are all travelers. No matter what the road is, we have to make the journey. And it depends upon you how comfortable you make the journey. No matter how potholed the road is, no matter how difficult the road is, how long the road is, the journey is there. So every day, wake up to be a new traveler. Have the courage to make a new journey, to walk a new road, to ride a different path. And this is the challenge. Celebrate life every day differently. Yeah? So young people, we invite you to come over to Don Bosco. Don Bosco Youth Services now is nearly 30 years old. We have been of service to the Salesian congregation, to the Archdiocese here in Mumbai, to Salesian India. And come here, bring your friends. It's a wonderful place to hang out. There is a beautiful cafe there that will come up later. It's still under construction. You can have your own coffee, your tea, your own snacks. But this is a place where you can just spend time significantly. So that when you walk out of that room, you go different. You go different to bring others to this place. Let Don Bosco Youth Services be a sacred ground where your life is turned into a significant and meaningful way of life. Thank you very much. Thanks once again to Father Ryan, Alex, for all that you have done, to all the carpenters, to everyone here who spent hours and hours of work, creative thinking to come up with this beautiful youth space. Thank you very much and welcome to Don Bosco Youth Services.